I'll talk here about all sorts of joins, but I prepare to be surprised because I'm pretty sure you're not familiar with some of these specialized joins. So first of all, yeah, we'll introduce a common join type. But even here, yeah, are you 100% familiar with full joins, with exclusive joins, and so on? I don't know. Lateral joins, yeah. I call them joins, but lateral is a keyword, yeah, that can be used, yeah, with typical ANSI joins. Exploding joins. What are these? Because I don't know. When I seen this the first time, only in a Snowflake page, and later on, I had a Snow Pro question. At the certification exam, they ask you about exploding joins. So it's good to know about this. Soft joins. Okay, very interesting. What are these? Well, when you cannot find direct matches, you would use this one, yeah. Fuzzy matching, another interesting subject. And look, lately they introduced also directed joins, yeah. What does it mean? You can have a directed keyword in a join, and this will make sure that the left side is scanned first. So you have table 1, left join, let's say with table 2. If you insert directed there in the middle, this means that table 1 will always be scanned first.